Like every software application on the planet, OneNote has its purpose as well. OneNote is an information management tool that allows people to be able to consolidate information that's relevant to their workflow, not necessarily workflow itself, into one centralized place. It's literally a digital notebook, and everything can be brought into the one place as a reference point. Sorry. I wasn't sure if that actually went over the lens then or not.
No, you actually saw it.
I thought it might. No, that's... Like every software application that is... Like every other software application, OneNote has its purpose. OneNote is an application that allows users to be able to consolidate information that's relevant to their role into one place. So again, there's a centralized theme. It's about a single source of truth. So if you think about working smart with Outlook as an individual workflow management tool, OneNote can become a collaborative information management central point for many people who have to share the same information. The integration between OneNote and Outlook is immense, so it's got some benefits in order to be able to allow... The benefits of using OneNote is to centralize the information into one single source of truth that can then be shared with teams or with team members. It bolts in fantastically with Outlook, so if people need to share information from that centralized point out with an external stakeholder, the integration is there between those two applications. Information is power, and if information is controlled and well maintained, then the power goes to the users. So it's really important that everybody who needs to be able to manage information uses the right application for the right purpose, and that's what we teach people in our workshops. OneNote itself is a digital form of physical notebooks. It's structured in a way that it's easy to understand. It's structured in a way that is easy to be able to find information, but it also relies on good corporate governance. Everybody has to be talking the same language. Everybody has to understand the structures. So one of the key aspects that we delve into in the Working Smart with Outlook program, So one of the core, oh, just damn, I was on a roll there. One of the core things that we delve into in the Working Smart, One of the core things that we delve into in the Working Smart with OneNote program, so now I get the intro right and I forgot what I was going to say. Like all software applications available to us as end users, OneNote has its purpose. The Working Smart with OneNote program is designed to centralize information that's relevant to more than just one person. We can bring that information into a centralized place and then share it among team members, project team members, department team members, or whatever the case may be. Hi, my name's Jed, and I'm one of the corporate facilitators at Priority Management Australia. I deliver the Working Smart with OneNote program. Hi, my name's Jed. I'm one of the corporate facilitators at Priority Management Australia, and I deliver the Working Smart with OneNote program. Working Smart is an information management tool. What sets it apart from a lot of the other programs is that it is a collaborative information management tool. In that you can centralize information that needs to be shared or spread across teams. It needs structure, of course, like everything else. And as long as people are talking the same language and they understand the structure of the OneNote notebooks that they create, it's a fantastic tool to be able to centralize information into one place. One of the major disturbances in businesses these days is the duplication of data. People take information, they duplicate it somewhere else, and then that person duplicates it, and then they send it out via email to somebody else, and it compromises the integrity of the information. OneNote is a much better option in order to be able to manage that information in one centralized place so the information doesn't get duplicated. It's very easy to use, and it's very easy to find information if the structure of the notebooks is set up. And that's one of the core things that we focus on in our workshops. We have robust conversations with the people who come to the workshops from a team perspective on what is a good structure, what's not a good structure. If people are left to their own devices and then they just go and create notebooks out of nothing, then chances are they're going to have a difficult time using OneNote. So having that knowledge base around having good structure in the first place and setting up the foundation is something that sets them apart from other businesses and puts them in good stead for the rest of their working lives. It integrates incredibly well with Outlook as well. So information that needs to go from the team, if somebody's talking about a particular aspect of a new project, let's say, and they're formalizing that information within OneNote, and then that information needs to be shared with external stakeholders, that information can be sent to the external stakeholders straight from within OneNote. There's a lot more integration with Outlook itself, and that's what we teach at the workshops. It's also cloud-based. It was Microsoft's first foray into cloud-based computing, and which means that you can also not only share it with anybody that you want to, as long as they've got access to an internet connection, but it's really good for being able to share information across devices for universal access. So people who have to go out on the road a lot, salespeople or people working in the fields in universities and science, they can take that information with them. They don't have to use other tools in order to be able to capture that information and then go back to the office and then try and remember the information. They can capture it in real time and it becomes more potent. So if you think that you can take advantage of understanding the way OneNote works to a finite level, that's what we're here for. The Working Smart with OneNote program runs over a 6-hour period. So if you think that you can take advantage of OneNote as an application within your business, please give us a call. OneNote is there to be utilised to be able to streamline your processes of information, reduce the amount of duplication of data, so it protects the integrity of the information that you're working with, and it's a fantastic tool to be able to then share that information out from that central source. So please give us a call, contact us on our website, or call our 1300 number. One of the fantastic staff will put you in touch with somebody that can get you enrolled into one of the programs, and you'll never look back.
Perfect.
So if you think you can take advantage of leveraging the technology that OneNote provides, please give us a call. Call us on our 1300 number or contact us via our website, and one of our fantastic staff will put you in touch with somebody who will get you enrolled into one of the programs. The programs are 6 hours long, and they will hold you in good stead for the rest of your working life once you understand the way to be able to set up information management tools the right way from the get-go. So please give us a call. We can't wait to hear from you. Hi, my name's Jed. I'm one of the corporate facilitators at Priority Management Australia, and I deliver our Working Smart with OneNote program. OneNote's a fantastic tool if you want to be able to manage your information well. We have many information management tools, but the thing that sets OneNote apart from all of the other tools is that it's a collaborative solution. OneNote's designed in order to be able to consolidate information across a team or across a network of people. And because it's cloud-based, it allows you to be able to share the information seamlessly with those people, and that eliminates or minimises, in fact it can eliminate, the compromising of the integrity of the information by duplication. One of the biggest pain points that businesses encounter in my 14 years of experience is that end users are constantly duplicating information. And by virtue of the fact that the information's been duplicated, it's now been compromised. So people are using old, outdated data when they should be using updated forms. The thing about OneNote is that it needs structure, and the structure is the most important essence of the software application. It's not the technology, it's the understanding of the users on what that structure looks like. OneNote's very easy to use. It's very easy to find information if the structure is set up in the first place, which is why we go to such lengths in order to be able to make sure people get a good understanding of what good structure looks like. It integrates seamlessly with Outlook. So if a team is consolidating information into one central place and they're talking about maybe So if a team is consolidating information into one place regarding a specific project and they're doing some development work on that project, they can share that information directly from OneNote out with the external stakeholders. They don't have to go into Outlook to send emails. It's all integrated back in with the software application itself. It integrates in many ways with Outlook. You can manage your meetings through there, you can manage your activity through OneNote and have that integrate back into your own workflow management system that might be built around Outlook. The other intrinsic benefit of doing Working Smart with OneNote with us is if you've already done our Working Smart with Outlook program, it's a great connector to be able to bring that whole information management process to the next level. It's also cloud-based, as I mentioned before, so it enables you not only to share information across people and across networks, but it also allows you to be able to share information across devices. So if you have downstream devices, you can have universal access to that information without duplicating the data, and that's the beauty of it. So if you think that you can leverage the technology or take advantage of that technology that's in OneNote, please give us a call. We'd love to be able to help you set up your structures, teach you on how you can use the software effectively and improve your collaborative skills along with your communication skills going forward. So please contact us via our website, give us a call on our 1300 number. The fantastic staff here at Priority Management will look after you and put you in contact with the right person to be able to enroll in the course. Please give us a call. We can't wait to see you.